The beanie boy is in his nest. And the idiots next door are being obnoxious like usual. They like to play the same song over and over and over again. And I put my ear to the wall. I can't hear any lyrics to the music. All I hear is the bass, and then they have their TV on as well. So someone there has the music up sky high, and then the other person has TV on. So they're trying to, trying to drown each other out. It's weird. Unfortunately.
You already started.
Meow.
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 Meow. Go.
Must transfer the loves.
Gurgles.
It's like, I don't care. I like all attention. Butters, but you'll be in a little creep. I swear it's half his face is looking over the side. And he lays down. What are you doing? Hmm? What's going on in your little head, huh?
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. You didn't wake me up. Just laid down there like a good boy. Now he's cleaning himself. Oh, man.
Something he likes to do, lays down. He has to touch us at all times, so usually he'll lay a foot on our foot because he likes to know where we're at if we're moving. Huh. You have to touch us at all times. Does it help you feel like you're in control? Then you just know when we move so you can follow, huh? Oh, my. Butters. So happy. Butters. Oh my God, you're so sweet. You're such a good boy. Butters! Just so all y'all know, people that want a cat, because they watch Butters and other cats, and it's like, ooh wee, they're so cute. Oh, just know that they can be gross little monsters that you're gonna have to clean up after too. Yeah, you're a gross little monster. Last night, he threw up a nice big hairball. And then, after screaming for more food. He went to go potty. He peed. And what did he do? He stepped in his pee and his litter. He had it all over his foot. And then he came up to lay next to me and wiped his foot all over the sheet that was on the couch, leaving a nice big pee stain all over it, and it was stinky, and I'm gonna wash the sheet this morning. Just so you know, they may be cute, but they're kind of gross too. They get hairballs, they like to wipe their pee on you. Sometimes they'll leave little dingleberries on the floor, drag their butt, leave skid marks. Yeah, you're cute, but you can be gross. In our new tag phrase, you're gross, but I like you. Put that on shirts. You're gross, but I like you. Borders! 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! Oh! Not many cats will let you do this. What are you doing? Butters! Butterbean! Ooh, 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 yeah. Little beanies, little beanies. Oh. Ooh. Oh, so cute. Excuse you. Come on. Thanks, bye.